Hello, I'm Harriet Muller, and today I've had a special request from Isabella, who'd like me to teach her how to draw a baby seal. So what you're going to need is some plain white paper or a sketchbook, like I've got here, a pencil, an eraser, and a black pen. Let's get started. So first of all, we're going to start off with a shape like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, just a kind of egg shape. You can see that? Just do it in pencil. Do yours a little bit more lighter than mine. I'm just trying to show you what I'm doing. So that's it. And then we're going to do a little oval shape here and another little oval shape here. We're going to do another oval shape here and then another oval shape here and then another oval shape over here, just slightly smaller than these ones. And then we're going to do, just figure out where you're going to put the nose. Just draw a little nose there. And we're going to put the eyes there. And then we're going to use some pen. So now with the pen, I'm going to do the face in more detail. So let's do the eyes. So that's like an oval shape there. And an oval shape there. Leave a little space at the top, as if there's some light coming in from the top, just shining on the eyes. Colour in the rest. Now do the little nose. Draw a triangle, rather, a triangle shape like this. And then a little curved line coming down, and a little curved line coming down. And then now we're going to go around the outside of the baby seal. So just follow the shape that we did before, all the way around until you get to the tail. Now at the tail, we're not going to follow the ovals completely, we're just going to follow the outline. So that's one like that, and then one like that. And then for the front, we're going to do one like that. Again, we're just going to follow the outline. And just like that, and the same on the other side. We're then going to follow this line all the way around and come all the way down like that, all the way until we touch that line. And now we're going to add some whiskers. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to rub out the lines and you're going to see the finished baby seal cup. So here we have our finished baby seal cup. I've rubbed out all the lines, so we're just left with the thick black pen. So here's your cartoon baby seal cup. I hope you've enjoyed it and you found it easy to follow. If you did, consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you, bye-bye.